Hi, my name is Marvin Bulika, and today we're doing function block diagram programming inside CodeSys. You can use this ID and later turn into any hardware runtime that's supported by CodeSys. So as you can see here, I have my inputs, which are stop button, stop, e-stop, and the on-off for the equipment itself. Then I have the light to show pump 1 is running and the jockey pump light. And then I also have the e-stop engaged. And then here I have the functional block diagram itself. As you can see, I have an OR, a logic gate, and an AND gate over there. And I have one timer on delay and a second one here to delay the second pump from running as it waits for the first pump to build pressure. So as always, as you can see here, just as traditional ladder logic, you always keep the stop in the normally closed and the e-stop. That way when you press those buttons, you're cutting the circuit. That way the logic can work. This is carryover from traditional ladder logic programming. So you can see my machine turned it on. First safety feature is when you hit the start button, nothing happens, even though all other ring true. It's because this timer here prevents accidental starts. You have to hold down the start button for 2 seconds. So I'll do that. You can see the elapsed timer going up. After that, the first pump turns on. As you can see the light. Then the second elapsed timer starts running. And when that is satisfied, the second pump comes on. So the traditional stop for this will just be hitting the stop button, because once you do that, the AND gate, all those 4 conditions are not satisfied. And when I hit the stop button, as you can see, the rung will change. And the moment that happens, all the 3 states of the OR are interrupted and the machine comes to a stop. So with this on switch still being condition being satisfied and this one being satisfied, I can go back to start again with the safety feature. Elapsed time, pump 1 comes on, and now we're just waiting for the second pump to come on, just as before. And there we go. So the second way you can stop this system is by the e-stop. When that happens, automatically stops, because this is for safety. In case something happens and the operator or technician is walking around there, they can pull the e-stop or whatever e-stop devices you have around the equipment. And that will also give you a light that will notify people around that the e-stop has been engaged. You can see before, even if I hold the start button for more than 2 seconds, nothing happens on this side, because not all the 4 conditions are being met by the logic. So nothing will happen to the system until you come back and stop the e-stop. And now I can go back again and start the system. And there we go. Elapsed time, and then the jockey pump will come on. And the third way you can stop the system is just the traditional on-off. If there's no power coming to the machine, nothing will happen to the machine itself. And that's how you can use function blocks